You might be wondering, what is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a type of language model developed by OpenAI. It is a neural network-based model that has been trained on a large dataset of text, allowing it to understand and generate human language. Essentially, it's a computer program that can understand and respond to natural language text inputs. ChatGPT is trained to generate human-like text based on a given prompt. It can be used for a variety of tasks such as language translation, text summarization, question answering, and text completion. It can be used in chatbot, virtual assistants, and other natural language processing applications. This model is based on the GPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer, architecture, which is considered one of the most advanced models for natural language processing tasks. In summary, ChatGPT is a powerful language model that is capable of understanding and generating human language, and can be used to create interactive language-based applications. ChatGPT has a wide range of uses in natural language processing and can be used in many different applications. Some examples include chatbots. ChatGPT can be used to create advanced chatbots that can understand and respond to natural language inputs. These chatbots can be used in customer service, e-commerce, and other applications. Virtual assistants. ChatGPT can be used to create virtual assistants that can understand and respond to natural language inputs. These virtual assistants can be used in personal or professional settings to automate tasks and answer questions. Text summarization. ChatGPT can be used to summarize long texts and extract the most important information. Text completion. ChatGPT can be used to generate text based on a given prompt. It can complete a sentence, a paragraph, or even a whole article. Language translation. ChatGPT can be used to translate text from one language to another. It can also be used to generate subtitles for videos. These are just a few examples. The potential uses of ChatGPT are vast, and as the technology and research in this field progresses, new use cases will be discovered.